The IGY Rodney Marina had seen more business since the strikes in Martinique and Guadeloupe as yachtsmen visited the island for fuel and other essential supplies. General Manager Cuthbert Didier says during the strikes, there was at least a 42% increase in fuel sales. He says although the strikes are over, the marina may continue to generate business from the French, particularly in Martinique.
Most of our berths were filled for well over 2 weeks, including at least 200 vessels out on anchor. So the entire marina benefited, and I would say the auxiliary services within the Rodney Bay area, the restaurants here were filled, berthing was filled to capacity, and we sold an obnoxious amount of fuel. I think we may have gained some long-term business from Martinique. Some of the persons who would normally be based in Martinique are going to relocate to St. Lucia. In terms of numbers, we have not been able to quantify that, but within the next week we should be able to put a firm grasp on that.
Didier acknowledges that now that both strikes appear to be in their final throes, Rodney Bay Marina may see a drop in business. In fact, the general manager says the invasion of business activity brought on by the French strikes has already begun to drop.
We have seen it dwindling to more manageable, normal levels. However, it's still a huge, the fuel keeps on going. We still have a huge demand, especially from Thursday into our weekend business. We're still seeing huge demand from French vessels, and there are still quite a few French flagged vessels that are registered in Martinique at the marina, which is not normal.
The strike paralyzed the Guadeloupe economy, closed schools and businesses, and forced thousands of visitors to cancel their vacations. France dispatched riot police when demonstrations erupted into violence. French authorities signed an agreement overnight with the coalition of unions that launched the industrial action on January 20th to press for higher wages on the island. The wide-ranging deal provides for a $250 monthly increase for low-wage earners. Shannon LeBon, HTS News, Channel 4.